Reporting education data to UIS and SPC offers several benefits. For example, global and regional comparability. It ensures that the Palau education is comparable with other countries, facilitating benchmarking and identifying best practices. My difficulty was collecting data. It took me from various sources. It took me like 3 to 4 months to gather my data. It has provided how to reduce the difficulty of collecting data, strategies that can be implemented. For example, by standardized method, improving coordination, and ensuring resources. My takeaway keys from this workshop is standardization of data collection, data quality assurance, timeliness, and efficiency. My implementation plan is to standardize the method, more trainings, adopt technology, ensure data quality, and improve efficiency. By implementing these strategies, Palau aims to enhance the efficiency, accuracy, and effectiveness of its national education data system.